This is the Pagani Design DD40, also called PD-1783, a luxury-inspired masterpiece that delivers royalty on a budget. Let's unbox and explore this elegant timepiece together. Inside, we get a soft microfiber cleaning cloth, a warranty card, and a manual. And here it is, the DD40 Presidential Homage, shining in silver glory. Look at this. That fluted bezel, silver tone bracelet, and day-date complication. Straight away it gives a luxury vibe. The case size is 40 millimeters, which is perfect for normal wrist size. Not too big, not too small. The fluted bezel on this is not just a decorative element, it's a statement of craftsmanship. Each cut is sharp, precise, and evenly angled, creating a series of crisp ridges around the dial. When light falls on it, those ridges don't just shine. They shimmer and reflect in multiple directions, giving the watch a dynamic personality. Sometimes you see a soft golden glow, and at other angles, it flashes with brilliance. This play of light is what makes the fluted bezel so iconic in luxury watch design. It transforms a simple ring of metal into a crown of reflections, instantly drawing attention to the watch and elevating its presence on the wrist. In short, the bezel doesn't just frame the dial, it brings the entire watch to life. The dial of the Pagani stands out immediately with its striking ice blue color, a shade that is both refreshing and luxurious. Ice blue has a strong association with prestige because it's most famously seen on high-end platinum Rolex Day-Date models. And here it gives the watch a similar aura of exclusivity. The bold Roman numeral hour markers sit proudly on this backdrop, adding a sense of classical refinement. Their sharp detailing against the cool blue tone makes the dial not only elegant, but also highly legible, giving the watch a refined, presidential presence. Adding to the beauty of this ice blue dial is the sunburst effect that radiates from the center. Instead of appearing flat, the dial comes alive under different lighting conditions. In bright sunlight, it glimmers with silvery blue reflections, almost sparkling like frozen water, while in softer indoor light, the color deepens into a calm, rich tone. This constant transformation ensures that the watch never looks the same twice, making every glance at your wrist feel like a fresh experience of luxury. Protecting the dial is an AR-coated sapphire crystal, a feature usually reserved for high-end luxury watches. Sapphire itself is incredibly hard and scratch-resistant, second only to diamond, which means the DD40 is built to handle daily wear while maintaining its pristine look. The addition of anti-reflective coating elevates the experience even further, reducing glare and ensuring that the dial remains crystal clear, whether you're under direct sunlight or soft indoor lighting. This makes every detail of the ice blue sunburst dial and Roman numerals stand out with maximum clarity. To complement the sapphire, the crystal is also fitted with a date magnifier, also known as a Cyclops lens, at 3 o'clock. This small yet impactful detail enlarges the date for easy legibility, while also nodding to the classic Rolex Day-Date design language. The magnifier doesn't just make the date easier to read, it gives the watch an instantly recognizable luxury identity. The case and bracelet of the Pagani Design DD40 are crafted from 316L stainless steel, the same high-grade steel used in many luxury watches. Known for its corrosion resistance and durability, this material ensures the watch not only looks premium, but also stands the test of time. The case itself is finished with a stunning mirror polish, giving it a reflective shine that enhances the watch's presence on the wrist. Every curve and surface has been carefully treated to capture light beautifully, making the DD40 look elegant from every angle. The bracelet continues this luxury story with the iconic President-style triple link design. Here, the center links are mirror polished to perfection, offering a radiant shine, while the side links are brushed, creating a refined contrast in texture. This combination of polished and brushed finishing delivers depth, elegance, and a sophisticated play of light with every wrist movement. The bracelet is paired with a butterfly clasp for a seamless, secure fit. And to complete the design, the crown carries the Pagani Design logo, a subtle but thoughtful detail that adds character and identity to the watch. Now let's talk about the specifications, the heart and build of this watch. Inside, the Pagani is powered by the Japan Seiko NH36A automatic movement, a workhorse caliber that has earned a reputation for being accurate, reliable, and low maintenance. With both day and date complications, this movement not only delivers functionality, but also ensures smooth, consistent performance for years to come. A case diameter of 40 millimeters. It sits comfortably on most wrists. The lug-to-lug distance of 50 millimeters gives it a bold stance without feeling oversized, ensuring the watch hugs the wrist naturally. At just 12 millimeters in thickness, it maintains a sleek profile that easily slides under a shirt cuff, making it equally suitable for formal occasions and everyday wear. When it comes to weight, the DD40 comes in at around 190 grams, which is substantial enough to feel solid and premium, yet still comfortable for long hours of use. This heft gives the watch a reassuring sense of quality every time you strap it on. Combined with its polished stainless steel case and President-style bracelet, these specifications create a watch that not only looks like a true luxury piece, but also feels like one the moment it touches your wrist. On the wrist, this watch is a head-turner. Pair it with a formal suit, a kurta pajama for weddings, or even business casual outfits. It elevates your personality. Because of its luxury-inspired design, people often ask, "Is this a Rolex?" And that's when you smile and say, "No, it's Pagani Design." For under 15,000 rupees, this is value unmatched. This is a homage watch, meaning it's inspired by the Rolex Day-Date. Of course, the original costs 10 to 15 lakh rupees. But Pagani has given us a watch with a similar design language at a budget price. For collectors and enthusiasts, this is a fantastic, affordable option. This watch is available at 15,999 rupees, approx. You get free shipping, cash on delivery, and an option to shop directly from jnixiwatches.com. Link is in the description. If you've always wanted a luxury-inspired presidential watch without spending a fortune, the Pagani DD40 is the best option. It gives you style, quality, and confidence, all in a budget-friendly package. For watch lovers, this is a must-have dress watch. If you like this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more affordable luxury watch content, and share this with someone who loves watches. This is Ashvin from Jynixi Watches. See you in the next video. And keep teaking.